Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and I warmly welcome you to today's lecture. Today we are going to dive into the periodic table and periodicity of elements, which is the unit 4. I'm sure you'll find this topic both useful and interesting. Let's get started. The introduction to the periodic table. The periodic table is one of the most important tools in chemistry. It helps organize information about elements in a meaningful way. Originally, only 23 elements were known by the end of the 18th century, but today there are 118 elements. The periodic table allows us to predict and understand the physical and chemical properties of elements based on their atomic structure. The periodic table. The periodic table is a systematic arrangement of elements in increasing order of their atomic numbers. It was developed after the discovery of atomic number by Moseley in 1913. The periodic table groups elements are based on similar features, which makes them easier to study. Periods and groups of elements. The periods are the horizontal rows in the periodic table. There are 7 periods, each with a varying number of elements. The period 1 includes 2 elements. The period 2nd and 3rd includes 8 elements each. The period 4th and 5th includes 18 elements each. And the period 6th includes 32 elements. And the period 7 is incomplete, but it contains about 32 elements. The first 3 periods, which are period 1, period 2 and period 4, they are known as short periods, while the others ranging from 6 to 7 and so on are long periods. Groups are the vertical columns in the periodic table. Elements in the same group have the same number of valence electrons and similar chemical properties. The group numbers range from 1 to 18. IUPAC and traditional grouping. The two numbering systems are used for groups, the IUPAC system and the traditional system, which is using A and B notation. The group 1 and 2 are known as IA and 2A, and groups 13 to 18 are 3A and V3IA respectively. The central block of the table includes transition metals. They are known as group B elements. The group properties. The elements in a group show similar properties due to having the same number of valence electron. In group 1 you have 1 valence electron, in group 2 you have 2 valence electron, and from group 13 to 18 the valence electron is equal to the group number -10. The group A elements are also known as the main group or representative elements. There are total 8 main group elements or representative elements, and the group B elements are known as transition elements. I hope you found this lecture helpful and informative. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a future lecture. Thank you. Also, here is the image of the periodic table of elements. As you can see, this is the first group, this is the second group, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, this is the sixth, this is the seventh, and this is the eighth. This means that there are total 8 main groups in the periodic table.